Okay, in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to do the stitching for the pleat. I have my pleat pinned in place. The edges are matching at the top of the shoulder, and now I'm going to do the top stitching. I am going to place it under my needle with the inside of the presser foot being right on the edge of the pleat. And I'm stitched the whole thing. My pins are moved over far enough so that as I sew, I don't have to take them out. It'll just hold it in place. And I have the bottom of my pleat marked with chalk so I know where to stop. I'm using a 3.0 stitch length. Okay, I can take my pins out now. And then you can trim away some of this extra fabric from the pleat if you want to. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to leave about a 1/2 inch seam allowance here. And I'm just going to cut parallel to the stitching line. And I'm going to end it about 1.5 inches from the bottom of where the pleat ends. Can you see that? There it is. Okay, so essentially you're cutting away any of the bulky fabric here behind where the pleat is. So you get a nice smooth finish on the front.